Number 4 ba to? Okay. Ayusin mo yung form. Ulit mo.
Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't.
Okay. Ang sagot mo? Wow, tama ang sagot niya. Yung number 4 lang niya. Medyo hindi niya maayos. Number 4 ba to? Okay. Ayusin mo yung form. Ulit mo.